the summertime, strawberries make everything more delicious. What a versatile fruit! In salads, desserts, or as a snack, strawberries add color and flavor to just about everything. I think the other reason we love strawberries so much is because they are a seasonal fruit. We often look forward to the time they are ready to pick. And unlike other fruits, their peak season lasts only 2 to 3 weeks, so we need to get out there and pick them when they're ready. And strawberries is why we've come to Pine Tree Apple Orchard in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. While they have apple in the title, you can bring your whole family here to pick strawberries, purchase anything made with strawberries, and learn about some delicious recipes to make your own strawberry treats. Besides apples, Pine Tree Apple Orchard has branched out with additional fruit-related products and activities. Bill Jacobson heads many of the farm's growing operation, including strawberries.
It's homegrown, you know, and I've been around North America at a lot of different strawberry farms, and when they're vine ripened, they're all pretty good. But there's something about our soils and climate in Minnesota that make exceptional fruit.
Strawberry picking is a fun family activity, but here are some tips you should consider when planning your visit to a pick-your-own strawberry patch.
Well, I think the most important thing is to call before you come. Even though you're maybe thinking they're open tomorrow, you know, when the day comes, just call to make sure, because strawberries are very fickle and they don't all ripen at once, and you want to avoid a fruitless trip.
Whether you enjoy fresh, locally grown strawberries soon after they're picked or preserve them for later, there are some helpful hints to ensure your strawberries are full of taste.
We suggest that before you use them, to rinse them off. Keep the stems and the caps intact too, right until you're ready to use them. They'll stay fresher that way. And one neat tip is if you want to freeze the berries whole on cookie sheets, then bag them after they're frozen, you can pull out just the amount you want.
I can personally say that a trip to a strawberry patch is a wonderful way to spend a midsummer morning. If you'd like to learn more about strawberries or where to find pick-your-own strawberries in your area, visit minnesotagrown.com.